आपको चीप और अफोर्डेबल अकोमोडेशंस कैसे मिल सकता है? हाउ डिड आई गेट माई अकोमोडेशन? आई विल लेट यू नो माई जर्नी, हाउ आई गॉट दिस अकोमोडेशन राइट हियर. Guys, as you all know, if you're planning to come here in Australia, either to work, study, or just live here in Australia, one of the most challenging situations that you're gonna face is finding an accommodation. So, आज की इस वीडियो में I'm gonna let you know what are the best hacks in order for you to get accommodation. Also, I have shared in a lot of videos about my accommodation journey, this beautiful house over here. How I got this house, I've already made a lot of videos, but still, if you are new to this channel, I'm gonna let you know about that. Also, guys, trust me, rent can be a huge part of your budget, and it is always better to get cheap and affordable accommodations, but at the same time, it's not easy. For example, if you want to get a scholarship in a university, there might be thousands of students applying with you at the same time. Similarly, आपको घर मिलने के लिए ऐसे ही जो भी स्टूडेंट्स वो इनटेक में आ रहे हो, सब लोग घर ढूंढ रहे हैं एंड सबको चीप एंड अफोर्डेबल अकोमोडेशंस चाहिए. सो आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आपको चीप और अफोर्डेबल अकोमोडेशंस कैसे मिल सकता है. हाउ डिड आई गेट माई अकोमोडेशन? I've already shared in a lot of videos, but I'm pretty sure there might be very new viewers watching this video. I'll let you know that as well. Also, what sort of accommodations are available here in Australia? For example, private accommodations, on campus accommodations, university accommodations, and getting a house on lease, etc., etc. So I'm gonna let you know that as well. Also, what all cities have the ranges of rents? For example, how much Sydney city offers you with respect to rents, how much Melbourne city offers you with respect to rents. I'm going to let you know that as well. The figures can be a bit up and down, but I'll try my best to cover that as well in this video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Abel Simon. We have recently crossed 3,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting and showing your love to me. I really appreciate that, and I hope you guys will continue to support me in the similar way. So, बिना किसी देरी के वीडियो को चालू करते हैं. Let's get started. So guys, first I want to talk about my accommodation. This right here is my granny flat that I am living here for almost 3 years now. It's been a really amazing place and amazing location. Everything has been perfect for me, and I never regret moving to this house. Such a beautiful house, and my house owner, I know he's watching this video. I'm not saying just because he's watching this video, but amazing guy, trust me, really amazing guy. So this is my accommodation. I have already made a video inside of this, you can check it out. Like I have all the facilities. I have induction, I have oven, microwave, washing machine, whatever you want to ask, I have everything. Air condition, heater, everything. And I'm really blessed to have such an accommodation. So I'll let you know my journey, how I got this accommodation right here. So my brother was living here in Sydney for 5 years, and he had a lot of connections, a lot of references. That's how I got this accommodation. Okay, so the first thing is, अगर आपके पास कोई रेफरेंस है, आपका कोई रिलेटिव्स ऑलरेडी इस सिटी में रह रहा है, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू मेलबर्न एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनीवन ऑलरेडी लिविंग देयर इन मेलबर्न, it is a positive and a plus point for you, so that they can get you accommodation fixed before you come here in Australia, or they can sort out your accommodation before you come here in Australia. So that's the first important point, that if you have any relatives, friends, seniors who are already living in Australia, reach out to them, ask them, can you please help me to find accommodation? And it's always well and good that you ask them and approach them, rather than not asking them and then regretting it later. So मेरा भाई ने ऐसे ही मेरे को ये accommodation दिया था, and I'm really very blessed, very humbled by this accommodation, because I've got all the facilities that a student wants, everything. And my house owner, he's a really amazing guy. I've already told in a lot of videos. So yeah, this is my story, how I got this accommodation. And when it comes to rent, my rent is $225 a week. That's how my rent works here. It's including everything, including all the bills, all electricity, gas bill, water bill, everything is included. So yeah, and it's amazing location. It's next to my gym, next to Coles, Woolworths, Aldi, just a few kilometers away from the university. But if I have a car and if there is always a public transport, there is a bus stop right outside my house. So everything is perfect for me. Okay, so this is what my journey is, and I got some amazing garden over here, amazing place to shoot some content here. I can do barbecue over there. That's where he lives, and that's the place where I park my car. And yeah, amazing place. Very happy with it. Very happy. Now I already spoke about my journey, how I got the accommodation and how much, what all facilities I have and what's my rent. So अभी हम लोग बात करेंगे the types of accommodation that you can get here in Australia. First is the on-campus accommodation or the university accommodation. For example, University of Wollongong has two types of university accommodation, that is the Coolabong and the Bangalore. There is another one in North Wollongong, but it is not closer to university, so I'm not mentioning that one. But Coolabong and Bangalore is just like 100 meters away from the University of Wollongong. The rent is very expensive when it comes to university accommodation. Also, another thing is आपको bond है वहाँ पे. Like you cannot leave the place for one semester or a year. I'm not sure how long, but there is a bond for sure. And if you get a good accommodation, if you make new friends, and if you want to move out, but just because of the bond you cannot leave that place, or else you have to pay some sort of fine. I'm not sure how much, but there is some sort of fine as well. So this is the first type of accommodation. I would just recommend this accommodation if you don't have any relatives, any friends, any connections, and if you're looking for a house and then आपको कोई घर नहीं मिल रहा है, तो आपका लास्ट ऑप्शन रहना चाहिए कि आप यूनिवर्सिटी अकोमोडेशन में जाओ. पर वहाँ पे सब फैसिलिटीज है, ठीक है. आपका रूम थोड़ा छोटा रहेगा पर वॉशरूम अंदर रहेगा. आपको खेलने के लिए टेबल टेनिस रहेगा. आपको पास जिम का शायद से मेंबरशिप रह सकता है, आई एम नॉट श्योर. आपको स्टडी एरिया रहेगा. It's a really good place, but there is another common kitchen where you have to cook, and like there is a lot of other criterias. This should be a last option, because I'm not saying that university accommodation is bad or anything like that. I really appreciate that the university is providing accommodation, but at the same time, if you are coming from a middle class family, if you are coming on a budget, like for example I came on a budget, I had few dollars only when I came here in Australia, so I know how a student is coming here in Australia. So अगर आप budget में आ रहे हो, आप घर से खर्चा नहीं ले रहे हो, and आपको you want to save money, I won't recommend university accommodation, because it's expensive and it can cost you a lot of dollars. Okay, so this was the first type of accommodation that we get here in Australia. Second accommodation is shared accommodation. For example, आप और आपका एक दोस्त एक रूम में शेयर 2 बेड रहेगा एंड आप लोग शेयर कर रहे हो. Best part is the rent will be very less. For example, my friend used to live here in North Wollongong, and वो उसका दोस्त के साथ रहता था, and उसका rent हर week सिर्फ $100 था, because he was living in a shared accommodation. I personally don't like shared accommodation because I think I won't get my space, and if I want to talk to my family, if I want to talk to my friends, but I have to make sure that my roommate is also okay and he's comfortable with me. So I didn't want to go फॉर अ शेयर्ड अकोमोडेशन. ऑस्ट्रेलिया आने से पहले मैं मेरा भाई को बोला था कि मेरे को शेयर्ड अकोमोडेशन नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को इंडिविजुअल रूम चाहिए, बिकॉज ऑफ माई प्राइवेसी, बिकॉज ऑफ माई कंफर्ट जोन. मैं कभी भी उठेगा, कभी भी सो सकता हूँ. मेरे को प्रे करना है, मेरे को म्यूज़िक सुनना है, मेरे को मूवी देखने का है, मेरे को कुछ भी करना है रूम में. सो आई डिडंट वांट a shared accommodation. It was my perspective, my point of view, but a lot of students are doing it, and it's really a cheap option if you really want to save money. $100 a week, or maybe 110 or 120 depending on the bills that you have. Shared accommodation can be accommodation for you, but for that you have to make friends, or maybe you have to live with a random person. I'm not sure how it works, but my friend used to live with his friend and they really saved a lot of money. Okay, another common accommodation that I think 80% of the students are living in here in Australia is private accommodation or getting a house on lease. आपका एक गैंग है 4 लोग का, like including you, there are 4 people, and you guys will look for a house which has 4 bedrooms, or maybe 2 bedrooms if you want to live in a shared. मिनिमम 4 bedrooms. ओके, मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. 4 bedroom का एक घर देख रहे हो, एंड आप वो घर लीज पे लेते हो, और सबके पास एक एक रूम है. And if the rent for that entire house is $800, every week you have to pay $200. So 200 into 4 will be $800. And if you really want to save money, आप आपके रूम में किसी और एक रूममेट को ऐड कर सकते हो, then you have to pay 100 each. So वैसे बहुत स्टूडेंट्स घर लेते हैं, पर वो घर मिलना थोड़ा मुश्किल है क्योंकि आप नए नए आते हो, आपको कोई लोकेशन पता नहीं है, आपको कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं है, तो आपको मुश्किल हो सकता है। पर मेरा दोस्त लोग जो वो लोग ना एक साथ में आईडीपी से आए थे 4 लोग, वो लोग 4 लोग ने यहाँ पे घर लिया था। या आते ही वो लोग ने उनका कोई कनेक्शंस था यहाँ पे, सो उनको लोकेशन वगैरह पता था, उन लोग ने थोड़ा रिसर्च किया था एंड वो लोग ने वो घर लिया था। तो आप वैसे भी कर सकते हो। अभी मैं आगे वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि आप कौन से वेबसाइट्स में भी जाके घर वगैरह देख सकते हो, ठीक है। ओके, सो दिस वाज द टाइप ऑफ अकोमोडेशंस अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिसर्च आई हैव डन, is available here in Australia. Now I'm gonna tell you the websites that is available for you to check out the houses here in Australia. First website will be domain.com. वहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे लिस्टिंग्स मिलेगा एंड आप अपना लोकेशन के हिसाब से, आपका बजट के हिसाब से आपका घर ढूंढ सकते हो। सेकंड इज़ गमट्री। गमट्री में आपको घर मिल सकता है, मैं देखा हूँ गमट्री में पर्सनली घर वगैरह वहाँ पे अवेलेबल रहता है। अनदर वेबसाइट विल बी द फेसबुक मार्केट प्लेस। ऑस्ट्रेलिया में फेसबुक मार्केट प्लेस बहुत चलता है एंड फेसबुक मार्केट प्लेस में भी वहाँ पे डिस्क्रिप्शन में वो लोग लिखेंगे 1 रूम इज़ अवेलेबल at this and this place, and if you are interested please ping me or personal message, or they might give their WhatsApp number, stuff like that. You can reach out to them. But there is a lot of scams also happening in Facebook marketplace. They might ask you to give advance rent and stuff, but please don't pay anything priorly. Just go visit that house, make sure you are okay with it, and then if you want to pay something you can pay, and up to you. But please don't pay randomly to anyone before approaching them or before having a look at the particular house. Okay, so just be careful with that. A lot of scams happening, and just be careful. So Facebook marketplace हो गया, गमट्री हो गया, domain.com हो गया। अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट वेबसाइट इज फ्लैटमेट्स। फ्लैटमेट्स में भी आपको बहुत सारा घर मिलेगा। मैं सबका स्क्रीनशॉट यहाँ पे लेफ्ट में डाल सकते हो, आप वो स्क्रॉल डाउन कर सकते हो या चेकआउट कर सकते हो। चाहिए तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिंक डाल दूंगा, तो आप वो ज़रूर चेकआउट कर सकते हो। And these were the accommodations, and if you are looking for student accommodation you can definitely check out the university website. यूनिवर्सिटी वेबसाइट में आपको स्टूडेंट अकोमोडेशन मिलेगा। मैं लेफ्ट में यूनिवर्सिटी बोलूँगा कि स्टूडेंट अकोमोडेशन यहाँ पर डाल दूंगा, आप वो भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिंक डाल दूंगा, आप वो चेकआउट कर सकते हो। एंड अगर आपको कोई पर्सनल अकोमोडेशन चाहिए तो आप एम्बर के वेबसाइट में भी जा सकते हो, वो भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा। आप एम्बर के वेबसाइट में जाके सिटी सर्च करके आप आपका बजट के हिसाब से अकोमोडेशन ढूंढ सकते हो, ठीक है। गाइस, व्हेन इट कम्स टू रेंट, the rent that is averaging here in Wollongong will be somewhere around $180 to $250 per week, depending on the house location and the facilities and so and so. But this is the average rent at this moment here in Australia. Sorry, here in Wollongong. 180 to 230 to $250 a week for a private accommodation, and if you are living in a shared accommodation it will be like $90 to $120 per week. This can be including and excluding bills, and private accommodation mostly will be excluding bills. I am very blessed that I have everything including bills for my accommodation. And when it comes to Sydney cities, as आप अगर सिडनी CBD सेंट्रल के पास, रेडफर्न के पास वगैरह रहते हो, आपका रेंट बहुत रहेगा गाइस। इट माइट बी $500-600 per week, I'm not sure, I can't comment on that. But if you are living bit outskirts like St. Mary's, or if you are living like Norwest, thoda outskirts in Sydney, the rent can be like $250 to $300 per week. Sydney is really expensive. Similarly, Melbourne, Adelaide my friend is paying $210 per week, ठीक है। and Melbourne also the same range as of whatever I said of Sydney, because another important city. And when it comes to Brisbane, another city, can be same range, $200 to $250 per week for a private accommodation. What I'm mentioning is all private accommodation and excluding bills. And what city am I missing? I think I'm missing Perth में मेरा दोस्त अभी गया है, वो अभी पड़ता है $180 per week, एंड उसका घर भी ऐसा थोड़ा CBD के बाहर है, बट ही इज़ पेइंग $180 per week excluding bills. So that's what all the cities covered. And Darwin का भी आई थिंक 2 रूम का $400-450 पर वीक आते हैं, तो 200-220 सब ऑलमोस्ट सब सिटीज़ का यही है रेंज। पर अगर आप CBD के पास रहते हो, अगर आप एकदम पॉश एरिया में रहते हो, तो आपका रेंट एकदम स्काई रॉकेट जाने वाले ऊपर, ठीक है। सो दिस वे द एवरेज रेंट per city. Okay, a lot of people have not covered this in most of the videos, and I want to make sure that I cover it, because everyone thinks that you only have to get a house on lease and then you are good to go. But the reality is you have to pay a bond to the house owner. For example, if you're living in a house and then you cause any damage to the house, so आपका वो हाउस ओनर आपका बॉन्ड से माइनस करेगा आपका जो भी अमाउंट है. सो यूजुअली व्हाट एवरीवन डज इज they pay 4 weeks bond here in Australia. Like a lot of my friends, they have also paid 4 weeks bond advance here in Australia, and that's how things work here. So 4 into 200 will be $800. आपका $800 बॉन्ड में जाएगा and ये एडवांस पेमेंट है आप घर पे मूव इन होने से पहले, and you will get the same amount, the whole amount back if the house is well maintained and there is no damage caused to the house. And then आपका bills, utility bills, gas bills and electricity bills, this also depends on person to person how much it can cost, and Wi-Fi bill as well. So these 3 bills will be there for you when you are moving into a new house, and if you are sharing with your friends, ये 3 bills very important. Again I'm saying gas bill, electricity bill and Wi-Fi bill. I'm pretty sure water bill is almost free everywhere, so I'm not including that, but these 3 bills are necessary. Also guys, before ending this video, I just want to make sure that you guys don't fall into any sort of scams. For example, Facebook Marketplace में आप घर देख रहे हो, Gumtree में आप घर देख रहे हो, Flatmates में आप घर देख रहे हो, please don't pay anyone advance rent until unless you know that person, or until unless you go and visit that house and everything is done, you signed a lease and stuff, then you can pay advance rent, whatever, however that they want. But please don't pay anything online or randomly to any person. It's very risky, a lot of scams happening, so I just want to make sure you guys don't fall into such scam. और कल बोलना नहीं चाहिए कि ये बल ने बोला ये वेबसाइट लीग अच्छे से चल रहा है, सो वो वेबसाइट में जाके हम लोग घर ढूंढ रहे हैं एंड एडवांस रेंट पे किया. प्लीज़ बी वेरी केयरफुल, वेरी कॉशियस, and just do what is right according to you. Okay, so I hope this video helped you in some way or the other. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया. आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया, make sure that you hit the like button. Also really thank you for the 3,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. Until then, take care, Sheza, bye bye, peace. See you in the next video. Bye.
I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask. Don't play pretend.
You know you left me lonely, I could tell them the whole story. It may take a couple hours, I've got time, let's get to chat. How could I explain the situation? Man, it's so damn complicated. Where do I start, where do I end? I should go back to bed. I'm going back to all the basics, teaching myself now how to erase it. It's like learning a whole new language, and I'm afraid, too scared to face it. I just want consistent clarity, but all my thoughts destroying me. Some peace of mind is all I need to give peace to all of my family. I can't go back to you.